are you tasty? It's a meteor pop and acoustic. Our Ahenkan FM 93.3.
From the first day I met you. From the first day I met you.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Sugar tone.
Our Ahenkan FM
93.3. Just turn me up a little bit. Girl, let us swing.
the same, and Tamati to say, I'm probably bringing out
Have a blessed day.
so that channel, I'm a chromatico.
Joe, Charlie Radio, so I tasty. It's a meeting up in a costume. I want Ahenkan FM
3.3. Double face girl, she changes every day.
Joe, Charlie Radio, so I tasty. It's a meeting up in a costume. I want Ahenkan FM 93.3.
But on the contrary, your benko no best me best me kumya come din one no mami bidi say on you say me unu no mesie wa fa me wa dream fi me chinti me so my grado ma fa fufro ya ma dedewa kowani
Joe, Charlie Radio, so I tasty. It's a meeting up in a costume. I want Ahenkan FM
93.3. Right, folks, it's a Thursday morning, throwback Thursday here on 93.3 FM. I hope you all doing good. Exactly 33 minutes just after 10, and today happens to be the 16th day of the month, February 2023. And of course, we're here once again on your radio, taking over your radio from now to 12 p.m. Certainly, my name is Jenny Champon Boatin Cosmos. Call me Bruce Money. Call me Kobina Kosti. I brought for the perfect gentleman. My man DJ Shabo is back to post. And we're here to make magic. Big shouts to the production team. My man Kobe K. And I'm not to find him the first. And also Mr. Billy. We are here. Alright, so send us a text on 0594-841-044. 0594-841-044. Send me a text right now. Baby, I will be able to say what to say. Wasugu so 93.3 FM. Adwuma mid morning. And Wasugu so you're from a Kobina Costi in case you just stood in. 93.3 FM now with you. And now, so of course, Councillor Adwuma will come in our way. And today, our topic for discussion is the importance of compliments in a relationship. This is our topic for discussion this morning with Councillor Adwuma. The importance of compliments in a relationship. So stay tuned, tell a friend to stay tuned as well. Because today, we're actually going to learn about how to compliment your wife or your husband or your boyfriend or girlfriend. Let's see how important it is to give them some sweet compliments. But again, you can share with us your experience. If you have been doing this with your wife or your husband, how has that compliment shape the relationship. Let us know. Send us a text on 0594-841-044. Share with us your experience. And of course, our daily dose of motivations will also coming your way very soon here on 93.3 FM. A quick shout going out to my people. Mungina Michecha, Mungina, Wado Fidiatua, Brad David, Apasco, Rauf, MP3, Staga, Obama, Ricardo, Ekoma Tanko, Obama. Obama, me who I say, as an rouse that me who home. Over Tampa Jonathan, Medjashie, Ebos, Tilapia, Kweku Bonash, Piero, Brakwame, Baruso Boy, Omubedem, Swagger, and I'm on my Kenyan taxi drivers for Nina. We are driving as a Utia Joe G2, we are guy. Now, Mr. Orbin, I'll pay good morning. Sam Force, good morning. I want to say, Mr. Chumesi, and I'll say Abigail up top easy. Good morning. Oh, yeah, Abu Bas stop. See how Ben Kunia Joe. I am Kwama Yanomania. Ben Kuni up topos. And all the way to KNL Fashion. Good morning, Komamuna. After Salum the Gambia, better man quine. I said if you need back up a plasma detailer, watch him asane. And also, good morning, and come on, Madam Pats, Madam Maggie, Madam Vera, Nana Joabo Government Hospital, Ghana Commercial Bank, in my own Edna. Good morning, sweetheart. I want to say, baby, I will call. That's right. Hey, Seva. And again, good morning, Nanayao. We have organizer our Bompire Junction. Nanaya want to pay good morning and come out Nanayao. And I'll feel comfort. I'm going to Nanaya on Chenhonoma. I feel Bra Michael. We are Carpenter SZA Junction. Madame Hannah and Mama Hannah. Ghost time is the best fashion. / Gobe. Yesterday the Gobe was something else. Trust me. So yesterday myself and Nelson, we ate the Gobe like I had Jinkwan. The big shots come out Mahana. Of Ghost time is the best fashion. Exclusive beauty salon. Also, oh yeah. SDA Junction. Efiabim. Good morning. Patty's Golden Scissors. Madame Juanfe Leticia. Good morning. Akameni Junction. Jaji. Charities Fashion. Good morning. Efo. Oh, always. Good morning. And come on. Alright, so 93.3 of Fabia will be able to be out of my chin. More quaba. At the back of Safi so. Exactly 39 after 10. In case you just tune in, your friend will come in Boatin. But I love it when they call me Kobinai Champon. And when the girls call me Quaps. And the old folks call me Football Tobe. Seva. And the sexy and beautiful ladies call me a brand for the perfect gentleman. The Papa J Day. I engineer. Bantamako Fibuache on the background. That's right. I hope you are ready. Good morning and have a wonderful day.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Agwasie,
Yes, so when you see kind of zoom,